Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove watermarks in Canva on mobile. This is helpful when working with elements and wanting a clean, professional-looking design. Now let's get started. Now on your mobile. For example, if you are on your mobile and want to remove these watermarks, you may notice that you cannot remove them directly, whether on mobile or desktop. To remove the watermarks, all we need to do is cover them with elements. For example, let's cover it with graphics. Take this graphic here. It will cover the watermark. Then adjust the transparency. We can make it solid so it fully covers the watermark, or we can use another element. With the blur elements, just choose the blur element you prefer. Let's take this blur element here and cover the watermark with it. Let's just rotate this element so it fits nicely, and it will cover the watermark. With this simple method, the watermark is now covered. You just need to adjust the transparency so it is not noticeable, depending on your preferences. And that's how we remove watermarks in Canva on mobile. With this simple option, we can create polished designs without distractions.